Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make FNF vocals in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can get started playing, you can find the audio recorder option, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get our FNF vocals that we want in GarageBand. The first thing we are going to do is going to go ahead and be opening up the audio recorder option right here. So go ahead and open up audio record, and this is now going to open up this new recording menu where we can see all the options we can access. And at the top of the screen we have the big red circle that's going to go ahead and start recording. So once you click the big red circle, as you can see, it's going to start the recording process, and after we have finished with recording our voice, now it has finished and we can get started with adding our effects. And guys, as you can see, here are all the effects that we have. So as you can see, we have the clean option, we can add a monster effect, the extreme tuning, and so on. So you can use any of the effects right here that you have so that you can go ahead and get your desired FNF voice, so you can manage the pitch control and so on. And in the upper left corner right here, we can find the sliders option. Once you open up sliders, it's going to open up this new track settings where we can go ahead and scroll down and find all the plugins and equalizers, as well as the master effects that you can go ahead and add to your vocals to get your desired FNF voice. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.